Because of the unique properties of the nanoparticles, the sample preparation has a significant influence on the surface analysis measurements.
These methods provide several different options for sample preparation, depending on the analytical question at hand and the form in which the nanoparticles are available.
The main concerns are safety and contaminations. Since these methods can and should be modified as appropriate to the experiment, it is important to verify each step with other analytical techniques.
For the preparation of nanoparticles from a suspension, weigh 15 milligrams of nanoparticle powder into a 10 milliliter tube, followed by the addition of 8 milliliters of ultra-pure water. After capping, place the tube in a vortexer at 3000 revolutions for 15 minutes. To perform the drop-dry method, first transfer a prepared silicon wafer to the UV ozone cleaner for 30 minutes before placing the wafer into 1/2 of the wafer holder. Place a 3 microliter drop of nanoparticle suspension into the center of the ring and mount a 6.07 millimeter diameter O-ring on the wafer around the droplet, taking care that the ring does not touch the droplet. Place the wafer in a vacuum desiccator at 4 millibars of vacuum pressure for 15 minutes to dry the wafer, and view the wafer under light microscopy to assess the particle distribution across the surface of the wafer. Then repeat the drop drying until a homogeneous layer of particles is observed. To prepare nanoparticle suspensions by spin coating, place a prepared wafer into the UV ozone cleaner for 30 minutes and program the spin coater as indicated.